This is Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Cases Kasinagar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the Internet and the basic terms used in the Internet. What is Internet? It is a largest network in the world that connects hundreds of thousands of individual networks all over the world. The popular term for the Internet is the information highway. Rather than moving through geographical space, it moves your idea and information through cyberspace, the space of electronic movement of ideas and information. As it was originally developed by the Department of Defense, this lack of centralization made it less vulnerable to wartime or terrorist attacks. To access the internet, an existing network needs to pay a small registration fee and agree to certain standards based on the TCP or IP, that is Transmission Control Protocol or Internet Protocol. What is the uses of internet? It is used to send email messages. It used to upload or receive files from different computers, participate in discussion groups such as emailing list and news groups, surfing the web. What is web? A web, World Wide Web, consists of information organized in web pages containing text and graphic images. It contains hypertext links or highlighted keywords and images that leads to related information. A collection of linked web pages that has a common theme or focus is called website. A main page that all the pages on a particular website are organized around a link back to is called the site's home page. How to access the internet? Many schools and business have direct access to the internet using special high-speed communication lines and equipments. Students and employees can access through the organizational local area network or LAN or through their own personal computers. Another way to access the internet is through internet service provider. To access the internet, an existing network need to pay a small registration fee and agree to certain standards based on the TCP or IP reference model. Each organization pay for its own networks and its own telephone bill, but those costs usually exist independent of the internet. The regional internet companies route and forward all traffic, and the cost is still only that of a local telephone calls. What is internet service provider? A commercial organization with permanent connection to the internet that tells temporary connections to subscribers. Example, the internet service provider available in our country is Airtel, Vodafone, Microsoft Network, AT&T Network. These are all examples for internet service provider. How to access the web? Once you have internet connection, then you need special software called a browser to access the web. Web browser are used to connect you to remote computer, open and transfer files, display text and images. Web browsers are specialized programs. Example of web browsers are Netscape Navigator, Internet Explorer, Chrome, Firefox and etc. Next one is client server structure of the web. Web is a collection of files that resides on computers called web server that are located all over the world and are connected to each other through the internet. When you use your internet connection to become part of the web, your computer become a web client in a web worldwide clients or server network. A web browser is a software that you run on your computer to make it work as a web client. Hypertext Markup Language, that is HTML. The public files on the web server or ordinary text file, much like the file used by the word processing software. To allow web browser software to read them, the text must be formatted according to the generally accepted standard. The standard used on the web is Hypertext Markup Language, that is HTML. HTML uses codes or tags to tell the web browser software how to display the text containing the document. For example, a web browser reading the following lines of text, that is bold tag, a review of the book, italic I tag, wind instrument of the 18th century, closing I tag and closing B tag. It recognizes opening B tag and closing B tag instruction to display the entire line of text in bold, and opening I tag and closing I tag as instruction to display the text enclosed by those tags in italic. Addressing on the web, that is IP addressing. Each computer on the internet does have a unique identification number called an IP, that is Internet Protocol Address. The IP addressing system currently in use on the internet uses a 4-part numbers. Each part of the address is a number ranging from 0 to 255, and each part is separated from the previous part by period. For example, 106.29.242.17. The combination of 4 IP address part provides 4.2 billion possible addresses. This number seemed adequate until 1998. Members of various internet task forces are working to develop an alternate addressing system that will accommodate this projected growth. However, all of their working solution require extensive hardware and software changes throughout the internet. Next one is domain name addressing. Most web browsers do not use the IP address to locate website and individual pages. They use domain name addressing. The domain name is a unique name associated with a specific IP address by a program that runs on an internal host computer. This program, which coordinates the IP address and domain name for all computers attached to it, it is called DNS, that is Domain Name System Software. The host computer that runs this software is called domain name server. Domain name can include any number of parts separated by periods. However, most domain names currently in use have only 3 to 4 parts. For example, the domain name gsp.uchicago.edu is the computer connected to the internet at the Graduate School of Business, which is an academic unit of the University of Chicago, which is an educational institute, that is EDU. No other computer on the internet has the same domain name. Next one is Uniform Resource Locator. The IP address and the domain name each identify a particular computer on the internet. However, they do not indicate where a web page HTML document resides on that computer. To identify a web page extract location, web browser rely on Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL. URL is a 4-part addressing scheme that tells the web browser what transfer protocol to use for transporting the file, the domain name of the computer on which the file resides, the path name of the folder or directory on the computer on which the file resides, and the name of the file. This is the structure of the Uniform Resource Locator, that is URL. First, we have a protocol, that is HTTP, and next we have a domain name. The domain name consists of www dot and name of the domain.org/folder name. And next one is the path name. Now, next one is path name, where these files are located. And last one is file name to access the web page. Next one is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The transfer protocol is a set of rules that the computer uses to move files from one computer to another on the internet. The most common transfer protocol used on the internet is the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Two other protocols that you can use in the internet are the File Transfer Protocol, that is FTP, and Telnet Protocol. Next one is search engine. A number of search tools have been developed and available to you on certain websites that provide such service to help you find information. Examples of search engines are yahoo.com, google.com, lycos.com, alta and vista.com, and search.msn.com. How to find information on the web? You can find information by two basic means: search by topic and search by keyword. Some search services offer both methods, others only one. Yahoo offers both. Search by topic, you can navigate through topic list. Search by keywords, you can navigate by entering a keyword or phrase into a search text box. I hope you understand the basic terms used in the internet. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.